Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 246 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the LA Colors contour stick, which I got from my recent trip to the Dollar Tree. Gosh, I hadn't been to the Dollar Tree in a while, probably like a month or so, which is so unlike me because I tend to go to the Dollar Tree like every week. So when I went back, I was so excited to see a lot of new makeup, and this is one of the new products from LA Colors that's now available at the Dollar Tree. But I will say, they only had one color available, which is medium, and wow, nowadays I am very fair, so I don't know if this medium shade is going to work out with my skin tone, but I have to try it out. I have to try every product at the Dollar Tree. But this is funny. It's called a contour stick, and it says, great for contouring. And then the directions say to apply to the edge of forehead, hollows of cheek, and jawbone. Blend well. For best results, use with a lighter contour stick sold separately. Fortunately, they didn't sell the other lighter contour stick separately at my Dollar Tree, but that's okay. I'm just going to be able to try and do some contouring. So let's see if I can actually roll it up. Oh, okay, good. I like to see how much actually comes in these two. Yeah, so that's as far as it will go up, and that's probably a third of the length of this stick. When I saw it, I was like, hey, that's a pretty big stick of product, but no, I don't understand why they make them so deceiving like this. But anyways, let's see how this color looks. Wow, so that's actually kind of buildable. When I just went in with one line, it was lighter, but then as I went over it a few times, I'm able to build up that color and make it darker. So since I'm so fair right now, I'm gonna try and go in with a light hand. All right, let's start with this little bit, see if this can blend out. That's actually blending out quite okay. And I almost feel like going in with that little bit looks nice, but since I'm reviewing this, I kind of want to go in with a little bit more, even though just that little bit of contour I feel like is enough for my fair skin tone right now. Wow, so I kind of feel like the only reason this is actually working out kind of nicely is because my skin is so fair right now. So if you did actually have medium skin tone and you tried to use this, it probably wouldn't show up very well, which kind of reminds me of that AOA Studio $1 contour stick that I reviewed, which I will link down below if you want to see that. However, that one I thought was such a fail. So I do think that this LA Color $1 contour stick is better than that one because it is showing up on my skin and is blending out kind of nicely. Let's go ahead and continue to contour the rest of my face. Gosh, I feel like September flew by in the blink of an eye. Oh, I hope that October I'm able to make the most of it and really enjoy fall. I've really been liking fall so far, and I just want to like do lots of fun fall activities. Like I want to go apple picking, maybe carve some pumpkins. Oh. It's hard though when you get really busy to make time for that stuff, but definitely want to try and make it a priority. Let me know in the comments down below, what are some fall activities that you're going to be doing? Maybe I can get some ideas. Okay, so I'm blended out and I'm actually really liking this. I feel like it did give me some nice definition, some nice color to my very fair skin. I think that this blends out really nicely and actually looks really nice on the skin. Like it sits very smooth on top of my makeup and doesn't even look like I have a product on my skin. I am actually so pleasantly surprised by this product. The color I feel like is actually pretty nice. Yay! Great job, LA Colors. This is a product that I'm probably going to be incorporating into my daily makeup routine, and that I'm probably going to need to go back to the Dollar Tree and buy a few more of so that I can stock up, because for $1, I'm so impressed. But even for a higher price point, I'd still be impressed with this formula. I just think it looks so nice on my skin. It was so quick and easy to use. So yeah, I recommend heading down to the Dollar Tree and picking up one of these while they're still available, because this is a great product to get your hands on. It's so worth the $1. This just makes me so happy that I went back to the Dollar Tree, and reminds me of why I love trying Dollar Tree makeup so much, because when I find a great product like this, it's just so exciting for me, because there are a lot of really good but really expensive high-end contour sticks out there, and now I don't even have to worry about buying any of those because I have this one. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.